traveled though?
Huh?
Who just came back from
From
home?
where?
From Lithuania.
Nobody. My mom just sent me some stuff.
Okay. Send it through
Huh?
transport Korea.
And you get documentary with all that.
Sound there with the jazzy that right to buy it. Come on, pé táwọn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ méjì bá ń jà wọ́n sì máa ń dùn yẹn. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh God, I miss so much this thing.
I am in India.
Sorry.
Normally,